Let's get you some movers with Romaine. Hey, Romaine.
Good morning, John. A lot of focus once again here today on the home builders. This time, though, it's going in the opposite direction. Remember, Pulte Homes and a lot of the home builders had rallied for about 3 straight days here. They're taking a leg down here today. We're getting a downgrade here coming from Goldman Sachs, taking it down to neutral, saying the valuations have gotten a little too stretched for some of these companies and that the profit growth outlook, it has to slow down a little bit from some of the torrid pace that we've been used to here. The biggest volume mover pre-market, that belongs to Virgin Galactic Space. Of course, last week it closed out around $56 a share, just shy of that all-time high. It's down 16% over the first 2 sessions of this week, down 4% here in the pre-market. A downgrade there coming today. This from Bank of America. They're taking it all the way down to underperform. This is the first sell equivalent rating that we've had on Virgin Galactic. Again, valuation appears to be the concern. We did get some earnings this morning. This from General Mills. Overall, they were good with regards to the fiscal fourth quarter numbers, but they gave an outlook for full year fiscal 2022, and the growth rates, at least when it comes to organic net sales and EPS, that growth rate is going to have a negative sign in front of it. That's causing a little bit of concern here in the market. Flip up the board here. I want you to keep an eye on what's going on in the semiconductor space. Micron having a phenomenal few days here. It's on a 6-day winning streak. It actually snapped that streak yesterday, was down slightly to close, but now up about 1.5% pre-market. We get earnings from them after the bell tonight, and most analysts, they are incredibly bullish on it, seeing a few price target upgrades this morning. Also, AMD rallying here as well. They finally got unconditional EU approval for that Xilinx deal. Remember, UK signed off on it yesterday. The company already has the go-ahead from the US and South Korea, which means this deal could close by the end of the year. Investors like to see that. And Altimeter, not a stock we talk about a lot. It was a tiny biotech company that was developing a COVID vaccine and went from $2 a share to about $33 a share, down 35% here in the pre-market. This after the company saying it's not going to actually bring that COVID vaccine to market, saying that some of the testing that is done just not aggressive enough here for it to continue now weighing its options out there for what it's going to do next.